Hey, today we are going to discuss about the storyboard localization. So let's see how can we do uh, localized in our storyboard. There are the two level. One is the hello I am John and another is what's your name, and we want to do the localize two level so that the message will be sensed according to the selected language or the selected region. Okay, first of all we need to select our project name. Yeah, in the project file you can see there is a localization segment, and you need to click the plus icon. Yeah, after clicking the plus icon you can see there are many languages according to the different countries or different region. You can select one or multiple languages which you want to do the localized. Okay, now we are selecting here is Spanish language. Okay, after selecting we can see there are two storyboard. One is the main, another is launch screen. We don't want to the localized our launch screen. Okay, finish. Okay, after finishing you can see the Spanish is added here. Also there is the main.string.spanish file automatically added here. Okay, there are the two class you can see because in our storyboard there were the two level. Okay, here is the hello I am John. Now we need to replace this hello I am John translation of the Spanish language. So here is the Spanish translation of hello I am John. So we replace this. Okay, and also this is the translation of Spanish translation of what's your name. So replace this. Okay, fine. Now run the project and see the result. Yeah, still we are saying this is the English languages because our device selected language is English. Now we need to sense this. So let's see how can we sense it. You go to settings. Yeah, there is a added language. You can see there is a first language is English. Now we add to our Spanish language. Okay, use Spanish. Okay, fine. Now let's run. Yeah, it's work. Now you are seeing that this is the translation of Spanish hello I am John, and another is what's your name. It's work. Thank you.